If you're planning to start a YouTube channel in 2026, stop. Unless you understand how the algorithm actually works now. It's not 2020 anymore. The game has changed. I know many of you might be thinking, wait, it's still 2025. Why is he making a video about 2026 already? Well, there are many reasons, and I'll explain them at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. I'm not saying this for my own benefit, it's for your own good, especially if you're planning to start a new channel. First, let's understand what the YouTube algorithm actually is. The YouTube algorithm is an automatic system or formula that decides three things: which videos should be shown to which users, which videos should be promoted to more people, and which videos should be ignored. If we put it in simple words, the YouTube algorithm is like a brain that runs YouTube, and it decides differently for every user what content they should see. So how does the algorithm do all of this? The job of the YouTube algorithm is to show people the kind of videos they enjoy so they stay on YouTube for longer. And the algorithm works in three areas. Number one, homepage. As soon as you open YouTube, your homepage appears. The algorithm checks your watch history, and based on that, it suggests videos to you. It looks at what have you watched before? What types of channels have you subscribed to? Which videos did you spend more time on? Number two, suggested videos. The algorithm checks what video are you currently watching and which other videos are related to it. Then it shows you those related videos in the Up Next section. Number three, search results. The algorithm also focuses on what you're searching for. It checks the keywords you typed, the video's title, description, and tags, and then shows the most relevant videos. Audience retention is king. The algorithm also checks how long are people staying on your video. YouTube promotes those videos that people watch for longer. For example, if your video is 10 minutes long and people leave after 1 or 2 minutes, YouTube thinks the video is boring or irrelevant and stops recommending it. But if people watch for 7 or 8 minutes, the algorithm says, this video is valuable, show it to more people. So do something in your content that makes people stay till the end. You can even give them a strong reason to stick around. Click-through rate drives impressions. CTR tells you how many people clicked your thumbnail after seeing it. Here's the formula. CTR equals clicks divided by impressions multiplied by 100. For example, if 1,000 people saw your video, impressions, but only 50 clicked on it, then your CTR is 5%. YouTube uses this CTR to decide, is this video attracting people or not? Higher CTR equals more impressions equals more reach. Video consistency and niche clarity matter. The algorithm mostly trusts those creators who consistently make content in a single niche. If you keep making videos on random topics every time, the algorithm gets confused. Who is this channel for? YouTube wants your niche to be clear, so it can deliver your videos to the right audience. Audience engagement metrics boost visibility. Likes, comments, shares. The YouTube algorithm doesn't just look at views, it also checks, are people liking the video? Are they commenting on it? Are they sharing it with their friends? All of these give YouTube a signal and help the algorithm decide whether your video is worth recommending or not. Now, let's talk about those reasons I mentioned earlier. I know many of you watching want to become YouTubers, but many people waste a lot of their time doing it without proper knowledge. Sure, you can start a channel, but without understanding these things, you won't be able to succeed. But if you start focusing on all these factors from today, by the time 2026 comes, you'll already be a good YouTuber. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And yes, don't forget to click the bell icon.